How to improve your mental health. In just 7 days, I promise you're going to feel way better and your mental health will become the best it ever was. This video is for teenagers or adults struggling with mental health and want to make a change. I already want to say congratulations and that I am proud of you. You clicked on this video and that is already taking a step to change. With bad mental health, you have no energy to do anything the whole day or you feel empty. I have gone through this at the beginning of this year. I had the worst mental health ever. I skipped school, stopped talking to my friends, did not work out anymore, and generally had a negative mindset. In time, I managed to completely change my mental health and become a happier person with goals and purpose in life. And I want the exact thing for you. In just 7 days, you're going to completely change your mental health with these 3 simple steps. It's not some bullshit, go run, go do something productive like everybody else said, because you're not going to stay consistent with bad mental health. And this is something we need to fix to become someone with positivity and good energy. The 3 steps to improve your mental health. Let me start with the first one. And you already did the first step. You watched the video, meaning you took action to start improving your mental health. This is the beginning of a change, and you took action. Nothing changes if nothing changes. And you decide to take action and make a change today. For all the upcoming steps that are coming in this video, you're going to have to take actions no matter what. Without taking steps or starting to improve your mental health, it is not going to change for the better. To change, you need to do something. Remember that. Step 2. Changing your environment. What do I mean by changing your environment? Look at your room. Is it clean or is it messy? Probably messy, right? You are disorganized, your bed is completely messed up and you haven't made or changed it in a long time. Having a messy, stinky room that you always stay in and most of the day can really have an impact on your mental health. It is weird, but a messy room can literally have a negative energy around you. You will have constant negative thoughts and feel lazy most of the time, just because your room is not clean. So what I want you to do is clean your room completely and tell me how you feel afterward. By having a clean room that you stay in most of the time, it attracts good energy and you will have more positive thoughts. Also, you will feel really good that you did something productive, and this makes you want to start doing more good things for yourself. Another example of changing your environment is your friends. If you have negative friends around you all the time that does not support what you do or just generally do not care about you, you need to change that. If your group of friends are all negative people with bad thoughts, you are going to become one of them. It is important that you remove bad friends from your life, even though it might be lonely, but this is the best for you. You need to find friends who care about you, who support you in what you're doing, and who ask if you're doing okay. Those are the type of friends you need in your life. Friends with positivity and good energy. Be in an environment where you have amazing, positive friends in the end. I am basically saying change your environment in every aspect of your life. Everything that brings negative energy into your life, you need to remove that and change it into positive energy, because that will make your thoughts overall happy. I hope you guys understand what am I saying. Step 3. You need to practice gratitude. I know every video you saw in the past about mental health has said the same thing about gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most efficient ways on how to improve your mental health drastically. You need to realize that there are people in this world who badly want to be in your situation. You have a house, a bed to sleep in, you eat food every day. You have access to go to school and get an education. Some people do not have those basic things in life. Some people are homeless and cannot feed their family. All of them have to work 12-hour shifts every day just to put food on the table. You need to realize that you are blessed because you have all these things that a lot of people do not have. I want you every day from now to start journaling 5 things you are grateful for. It can be in the morning or at night when the day ends. Doing this, you realize how lucky and blessed you are. This will let you appreciate things in life way more than now. This overall completely changes your mental health positively, because the more grateful and appreciative you are, the happier you will become. By taking action to improve your mental health, by changing your environment into a positive one, by journaling every day what you are grateful for, you strive to instantly improve your mental health in just 7 days. By having a positive mental health, you can start working on your goals and dreams that you want to achieve in life. You can start working out, focus on your dream job, and taking care of your family. That is what is important in life, and to do these things, you need to protect your mental health at all costs. Remember just 3 basic steps and make sure to do them every day. I hope this video helps you guys positively and completely change your life for the better. Peace out.